Yeah. You are able to see the screen? Yeah?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yesterday, what did we, till where we went? We went up to this no M cube C we desired in the problem. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So further you calculate the module and standard module and all. Continue with calculation. Continue with calculation of module. Okay. Are you getting this M cube C we desired as
No,
173?
sir. No, sir. It's not same. It's 160.
You are getting 160. Check where is the variation.
So variation is
171,
in
Sir, it's
sir.
173 only, sir.
Yeah, I think
So it's the
173
same
is
value.
correct. Yeah.
173, sir.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Then go ahead with taking CV is equal to 0.5. Get the module. Go to standard module, and then for standard module, calculate V. Then calculate actual CV. Okay. Sagar, check your calculation.
Yes, sir. Found it, sir. Made a mistake.
Okay, it's corrected.
Sir, actual is 171.95.
Yeah, there can be small minor variation. Don't worry about that.
Actual, sir.
Actual,
MQC. Yes, sir.
actual, what I have got is, see with CV is equal to 0.5, module I got 7.03, I tried with 7, doesn't work out. For module 9, see for module 8, I think you are getting 171.9, correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
It should be little more than M cube CV desired. So go for module 9, then you will get it as 226.05.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then adopt that module, calculate B from Lewis equation. All of you please involve in calculation.
B is 69.24, sir.
Which one?
B, 69.24.
Yeah, that is rounded up to 70 mm, correct?
Yes, sir.
Good. So go ahead with next stage, that is to find the value of C. Others, are you getting the values? Okay, tangential tooth load, what you get is 5526.21. Okay, others please calculate. So here it is 9. Then go to next step. So for a V of 0.668, for V of 6.686, error is 0.05. Yeah, while taking C value, take average of, because you don't have 0.05. What you have is the values for 0.04 and 0.06. So therefore, take the average of these two values, and this is going to be the value of dynamic factor C, which is 407 Newton per millimeter. Okay, are you all getting that? Anybody doubt in this selection of C? Anybody doubt in finding out C value? Gautam, any variation in dynamic load calculation? Nilesh?
Still doing, sir. Still calculating.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It's coming same only. Same value.
Same value? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Others also please calculate, check whether you are getting different value. Then find out D1, Q, B anyway we have found out. Then check for endurance value, check for wear load. Check for 275 and then go for 300. Let's see whether 275 itself will give us wear load greater than dynamic load. All of you please check for 275 BHN. Please check for BHN 275. If you're getting, that's fine. Otherwise, go for 300. Anybody getting different answer?
So for 275, it's less. It's around 19,000.
Oh, okay. So in that case, go with 300 only and check.
Yes.
300 it is 2439.16.
Yeah, that's exactly correct. I got 24,392.7 Newton. Okay. So minor variation. That's absolutely fine. Hope you have learned Spurgear design. Now, I am a bit confident. Okay. Others, are you able to do? Ankesh Shaman?
Yes, sir. Doing, sir.
Okay. Chandan?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Himanka, you are doing? Gautam Sai, able to do?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rishabh Pandey, doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ullas, getting the answer?
I'm doing, sir.
Are you getting the answer?
I'm doing, sir.
Which one you are doing now?
Sir, I'm still in M Cube CV actual, sir.
Oh, decide you got the answer, huh?
Desired I got, sir.
How much you got?
Got 308.84, sir.
Hey, no, that is wrong there. It is 173.92. Check
I'll
what you
do
have done. Yesterday you were not there.
Yesterday, sir. Last class.
In previous class.
Yes, sir, I was there, sir.
No, check these values. Check your
Okay.
values. Check your values. MCube
Yes,
CV
sir,
desired
got
is
it.
not.
Got it,
Huh?
sir. Got it, sir.
Okay. Vidyan Prakash, how are you doing? Vidyan? Okay. Dhanush Natam?
Yes, sir. Sir. I'm just a little
Okay.
catch up, sir.
Okay. Rohan T.
Doing, sir.
Where you are right now?
This thing, the V, sir. V
You are
error.
still in V.
Yes, sir.
Why so late, man? Please do it.
Yes, sir.
Others, please note the answers. You can work out. Note down the answers. Those who are lagging, please note down the answers from your screen. Okay, we'll go to the next problem. Okay, shall we go to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Note down the problem. I think screens are very clear now because I have typed it. I think the clarity will be there even in mobile also. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That is 5 kilowatt power. Pinion rotates at 1620 RPM. Gear rotates at 420 RPM. The teeth are 20-degree. Full depth involute. The permissible stresses. Gear and pinion. Gear and pinion. or 55, 65 megapascal. Design the gears for beam strength only. That is, you need to calculate only up to F2.
नहीं
Only
पानी का
up.
ग्लास दे जा
Niharika. Okay. Data. Note down the data. Okay. P is 5 kilowatt. N1, N2, sigma naught of gear, sigma naught of pinion. So with that, I'm going to get Z1 equal to 14, Z2 equal to 54. YP, YG. Please note down and calculate. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Anybody, any doubt? Are you all working?
Yes, sir.
Fine, fine. Any doubt? Please let me know. Can I? Is pinion weaker? Is pinion weaker?
Yes, yes.
Okay, are you getting the values? Any variation? Yeah? Any variation in answers?
Sir, FT is 1263.14.
1263.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it 1263?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is FT value here? 1000 P into CS by VM.
So that is correct, sir. 631.15.7 by 5 is 1263.
Oh, is it? 1 second. I'll just check.
Yes.
6315.7 divided by 5. Yeah, sorry, it is 1263, no?
Yes, sir.
1263.14. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this problem, you need to do only up to that because he has asked you to find out only the beam strength only. Okay. So you can stop there and determine all gear tooth proportions. Okay. Proportions of gearing you need to find out. All right. So to find that, go to table 12.2. Go to table 12.2 and calculate all with reference to module. Okay. Addendum, dedendum, root, everything is there in terms of module. So go there and calculate. Go to table 12.2. 12 for standard to 12.3. Okay. Get it. Go to 12.3 table. Yeah, others, did you get the answer? Rasik Baran, Gunasagar, Meghnath Prasad,
Doing, sir.
Yes, sir.
doing still.
Doing, sir.
Where you are as of now?
Assuming CV is code pointers.
Sir, FT.
FT, yeah. Okay. Those who have completed, please calculate gear tooth proportions as per table 12.3. All are with reference to module. Okay, shall we go to the next problem? Ullas, you able to complete this problem?
Yes, sir.
So we have to calculate all the gear terms, sir. So only or addendum or dedendum.
No. There is one table 12.3. There are some 9 or 10
Yes,
things.
sir.
Correct? Huh? So
Yes, sir.
everything is with reference to module there into M.
Yes, sir.
So that you have to calculate and then leave it. Okay? Because that
Sir,
calculation
yes,
carries
sir.
almost 3 to 4 marks. Yeah, all of you please
Okay, sir.
listen. During gear design, try to calculate whether it is asked or not. Try to calculate at the end the gear tooth proportions. Is that okay? After finding out wear load, so calculate gear tooth proportions if time permits. Okay. So keep gear design at the end. Okay. And calculate gear tooth proportions because normally out of 20 marks that will carry around 3 marks. Okay. So calculate gear tooth proportions as per table 12.3 after complete design. Are you all there? You're able to listen to
Yes, sir.
me? Hmm. In this problem, you specifically asked, but in rest of the problems, they don't ask, but you are expected to calculate gear tooth proportions. Okay, shall we go to the next problem?
So we just have to find module.
Shall we go to the next problem? No. Up to tangential tooth load, that's enough.
Okay, sir.
Because module you have already found out
Yes,
here,
sir.
no, in this step. So MCube CV actually here by this module is over. So only next step you need to do is only beam strength, that is tangential tooth load only, and stop. And then calculate gear tooth proportions with reference to module. Okay. Shall we go to the next problem? Anybody want more time? Chaitanya, okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall we go to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Gunasagar, Meghnath, Mukshidra,
Yes, sir.
ಹೋಗೋಣ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Huh?
Okay, sir.
Note down this another important problem. It's a model question paper problem. Please note down. Is it visible on your screens, the problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The pinion has 25 teeth. So Z1 is 25 already given in the problem. This specifically, this sentence, you please underline. Starting torque is and one more important thing is pinion and gear. Both are made of heat treated steel. That is same steel with allowable stress of 210 megapascal. Design this per gear drive from dynamic and wear strength view. Okay. Note down the data. Is the data given in the problem. Opinion is going to be automatically weaker. This is very important. Any doubt in this? Please let me know if you have any doubt. He has given you N1 by N2 to be 3:1. Okay. I is 3. So therefore N2 becomes 480. This is the value of P that we should use while calculating Ft. Because he has given you starting torque is 50% higher than the running torque. So we need to design for the worst loading condition. So therefore, power is going to be 16.5 kilowatt. Z1 is given as 25. So therefore Z2 will be 75. And the pinion is weaker because metal of both pinion and gear is made of same material, for which static allowable stress is only 210 megapascal. So pinion is automatically going to be weaker. So 20 degree FDI, calculate Lewis form factor. This is what you are going to get as Lewis form factor. Okay, are you all getting the value?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody, any doubt? Any doubt, please let me know. Please calculate. Please take out your calculator and calculate Kiran R. Okay. Keep a book with you and do the calculation. Roshan Yadav, working. Pawan? Pawan are there?
ಸರ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
ಪವನ್ ಸಾಗರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಾಗರ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸಾಗರ್ ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಇದ್ದ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಈಗಿಲ್ಲ
ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದೇ ಸರ್, ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ನೆಟ್ ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. Shri Prasad, are you getting the values? Yes, Shri Prasad. Okay. Roshan, can you hear me now? Danesh, answers ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Okay. ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Beldar, you're able to get?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Gautam Krishna? Yes, Mr. Gautam Krishna, where are you? Anil Kumar, answers ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So further calculation. Anybody not getting these values? Anyone not getting these values? Shall we go to the next page? Yeah. Shall we go to the next page to check the
Yes, sir.
answers? You are able to hear me? I think problem was they are planning to conduct test.
Yes, sir.
They are planning to conduct test from 2nd to 4th. Okay, 2, 3, and 4. They are planning to conduct test from 2nd to 4th. Okay, so keep studying. That's what I hinted you last Saturday, I think. Correct? No, I gave you a hint of test last Saturday itself. So keep studying. Okay, and for the regarding portions of first internal, we'll have curved beams, clutches, and brakes. And I don't know how exactly I am supposed to, whether it's multiple choice questions or problems. If they if they say can give problems, so you'll have 1 second. I'll just